The latest news of Yahoo Finance today is Alibaba unveils advanced Qwen3 AI as Chinese tech rivalry intensifies. Chinese tech giant Alibaba Group launched Qwen3 on Tuesday on upgrade version of its flagship artificial intelligence. Stock market today, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq futures slip as tariff uncertainty hangs over earnings seasons. US stock futures slip as Wall Street gear up for a packed week of key earnings reports and economic data. Futures attack to the Dow Jones Industry Average and the benchmark S&P 500 ticked down 0.1%. Futures attached to the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite fell 0.2%. On Monday, stocks closed mixed after rebounding last week. President Trump's unbeaten on-track negotiation, particularly with China, and softened stance toward the Federal Reserve grew the rally. Trump's tariff and whether companies are exposed or shelter from their impact will remain top of mind for investors as critical earnings reports roll out this week. On Tuesday, General Motors and Spotify are among the closest watch companies reporting before the bell, whereas Starbucks will release its results after the market closes. Investors will also receive fresh data on jobs opening, the U.S. trade deficit, and consumer confidence on Tuesday. Wall Street won't get a break as the week unfolds, with tech-heavy vector Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple set to report quarterly results on Wednesday and Thursday. New reading on inflation, GDP, and the labor market are expected later this week too. Oil sinks as global economic outlook. Crude oil slipped Monday evening as the ongoing trade war between the US and China weaks and outlook for demand for the commodity. Brent was below 66 a barrel after a 1.5% decline on Monday, with West Texas Intermediate near $62, a widely referenced gauge of U.S. manufacturing activity, weakened significantly, acting to signs of the drag from President Donald Trump's tariff. A slew of data due this week will shed further lines on conditions. Geopolitics remain at the fore, with ongoing talks between Washington and Tehran that have the potential over time to see curbs on Iran oil erosion. Discussion over the Islamic Republic's atomic activity are showing signs of progression, with Iran also pitching its sanctioned economy as an investment opportunity to the US. Blend crude is on track for the largest monthly decline since August 2022, with price battered by Trump's rapid escalation of tariffs between the US and its biggest trading partners, as well as by OPEC, plus plans to revive production. While many countries are entered into trade negotiations with Washington, Beijing remains on the sideline.